High impact numbers on your watch don't always mean you're about to get injured. In fact, chasing zero impact could actually make your bones weaker. We see metrics like impact g-force or shock load on our devices and instinctively think, lower is better. It feels logical that less pounding equals fewer injuries. But running mechanics are rarely that simple. First, your bones actually need impact to maintain density. The goal isn't to eliminate shock, but to manage the rate at which that shock enters your body. We call this the loading rate. The problem is that most wearables measure the total peak acceleration, the big bump, not necessarily the loading rate, the sharp spike. This means your watch might show high impact just because you're running fast, not because you're running poorly. Furthermore, these numbers are incredibly sensitive to noise. Changing from a cushioned trainer to a carbon racer, or moving from asphalt to dirt, will drastically alter the data even if your injury risk hasn't changed at all. So, is the data useless? Absolutely not. But you have to stop using it as a report card and start using it as a smoke detector. The absolute number doesn't matter. The deviation from your baseline does. Here is the golden rule for impact metrics. Look for spikes in impact that do not match spikes in pace. If you are running your usual easy pace, but your impact numbers suddenly drift 10% higher, pay attention. This specific divergence, same speed, higher shock, usually indicates fatigue-induced form breakdown. Your core is getting tired, you're sitting in your hips, and you're slapping the ground rather than floating over it. This is also useful when returning from injury. If you see your impact asymmetry, the balance between left and right, shifts significantly, your body might be subconsciously protecting a lingering issue. Don't obsess over the daily number. A high score on a tempo run is normal. A low score on grass is expected. Context is everything. Use impact metrics to spot changes over time, not to grade your run today. If the trend line stays flat while your fitness goes up, you're building a resilient body. Track trends, ignore daily noise, and keep running strong.